Hi guys, welcome back. I think one of the most discussed, changed, contentious topics we've had in recent years is people's relationship to their brow, how they're going to define them, what kind of strength or feature they want them to be. I'm a little bit more old school and I feel like it's just nice to create full, natural looking brows. I like sort of in the 90s, they used to do those really strong brows, or even in the 20s, it was such a cool look. But I would say that in today's sort of language of makeup, I think it's nice to just have what looks like healthy, natural brows. Sadly, I have very slim brows and they're just placed where they are, so mine don't look very natural. But I don't darken them in a very obvious way, and that's what I'm here to show you. So I think the key to really great brows is to just mimic what's going on already. Follow the hair pattern. In the arch, we have denser hair, so we're going to give that more zhuzh. Towards the beginning of your eyebrow, you have a sparse hair growth, so you want to sparsely fill that in. Towards the end, you want it to be softer. If you want to fill in your arch or to fill in areas that you wish were a little fuller, just draw single individual hairs into that area. I like Ardell. This is in medium. What I like about it is it has a brightener, it has a cool grayish color, it has the color that is very much like your hair mostly. People don't tend to have black eyebrows, they're a bit weaker. Even if you have black hair, your eyebrows will be a little bit on the more washed out side. So you tend to use this a lot, and you tend to use this, which is a little warmer, so it depends on your hair color. For me, I tend to use sort of these two. I'm going to pull out my brow brush. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush number 12. It's got a beautiful angled fine brush which will allow me to draw single hairs, and it's got a spoolie. So the first thing you always want to do, of course, is to comb your hair, make sure you don't have excess foundation in there. So I've dipped my brush in a little bit of water and I'm just taking it into this color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself hair-like strokes. So that I don't get a sharp line here. I want little spiky beginnings. And then you can just fill in the area which you can see is naturally full. So that's all of this. Now if you're missing a hair, which I am, I would take a tiny bit of the dark color and I would stroke in a hair at a time. And always come in with that spoolie to create the spikiness. So I think I could do with a hair here too. And over here, one or two hairs. Not too much. Just here, you can see my eyebrow begins quite a bit further back. So you can see it's still sparse, but more filled in now. I'm going to go back to the cool color. I'm going to pull it out slightly and give myself the one or two hairs I wish I had over here. Once you've done this, you come in here towards the front. Don't disturb the single hairs you drew, just create a general shadowiness. And then comb to soften and make even more natural, and voila, you've got a brow. If you want to make it any stronger, you can just go over it again the same way. I'm going to go into the other side. This is my better brow. So I'm just going to follow the hair growth and just give myself some subtle grayish strokes You don't want the top to be too perfect, so just create some jaggedness. Soften it out here. Soften it inwards. I don't need to fill in this brow with any single hairs. I think I'm good. I have a bit of a hole here, but I like imperfect brows. I don't like those solid brows. And then we can comb up. I hope that broke it down for you, and maybe you just need a few single hair strokes depending on how your eyebrows are behaving or looking in your face. So don't be cookie cutter, see what your face wants. A brow is a very big statement. It's the last eye makeup statement, the highest one. So you want to be sure you're doing it just as much as it needs to be done. I hope that was useful. Please like and subscribe, and if you're enjoying our content and would like to see more, please drop some suggestions in the comment section. We love making videos to order. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Bye.